Hello guys, this is Default Gaming here, and today I'm gonna show you how to install agariomods to Agario. Sorry for the background sounds. I'm gonna buy a new microphone. So yeah, let's go. And the links will be in the description. Okay, so first you need to have a tamper monkey. It's it's my country language, so don't never mind. So you click that plus and you accept it and wait, and it's checking and it's here. Okay, when you have it, go to the next link, you click to install the script, and you click here and then you click install, then it's done. It's actually done. You go to Agario and it's here. It's everything here. Set background. I like this picture. Yeah. So yeah, but that is so shit. Okay. So yeah. Could be MC effect. Fuck. It's the best skin ever. When you have agariomods, there are plenty more skins. So like the dick, but wait, when I die, yeah, the dick butt. So yeah, if I help you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.